Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily do a soft reset of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. We have two ways of doing so. The first one is when you hold the volume down button and the power button, and we can decide to power off our iPhone here, and then we have to turn on our iPhone back again. The second method is when we click the volume up button, and then hold the power button until we see our screen goes off. Now we can lower the power button, and now we can place our iPhone here. And after some period of time our iPhone should go back up. Now as you can see our iPhone is turned back on, and that's how to do a soft reset. Goodbye!